Alright. I just saved my fingers. I probably would have cut my fingers off. The mirrors sliders in the bathroom for the closet. That's where there's no closet in the bedroom. It's my bathroom. Anyways, I was gonna cut that, and cut on an angle each way. So that's two different cuts. I probably would have cut my fucking finger off. So, anyways, I just decided they're magnets. I don't really care. I don't think that matters. I don't know. We'll see. That might make it. I don't think it'll adhere to it, but shit. Super glue that shit. I guess I better get some numbers first. Otherwise, I don't know. Anyways, so that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm about to do is glue those bitches on there. I'll show you what I'm talking about. These doors, I bought these as soon as I built this bathroom. This was the bedroom. I turned it into the bathroom. Anyways, these doors have made it the whole time, and that's where the handles go. And they came off. Well, anyways, it sucks opening and closing it. You gotta have some kind of knob. I put one over here.